Hey everybody, Erica Serwin here with my first Christmas Stamp-A-Stack of the season. This class is using the super adorable hashtag Elfie stamp set from the 2019 Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog. And I call it a Stamp-A-Stack because you're going to stamp a stack of cards. You're going to have 10 completed Christmas cards when you're done with this class. Now this is a class to go. If you've never bought a class to go from me before, let me tell you what that means. It means I take everything and get it ready for you and send it right to your mailbox. And then you can stamp and do it at your leisure, whenever that is convenient for you. All right, now my classes always have several options. So this one is no different, and it actually has a few extra options. So listen carefully. And if you want the full details, click on that link down in the description. It'll take you over to the blog post. Okay, option number 1 includes the adorable hashtag Elfie stamp set. It includes half a pack of this gorgeous paper that you're going to use to make your cards, and it includes the bolt of ribbon. You're also going to get all 10 make and take packs and 10 envelopes, a PDF tutorial that has the measurements, a step-by-step, everything you need, and a video tutorial showing you how to use Stampin' Blends on these cards. That's option number 1, and it is $44. Now when you get this option 1 always includes something free. This time it's the ribbon. You're getting a whole bolt of this ribbon for free when you choose option 1. Now option 2 is for those of you that already have the stamp set. You don't need me to send it to you. You're going to get half a pack of paper to use on your cards, a full bolt of ribbon, 10 make and take kits, 10 envelopes, the full color PDF, and the step-by-step tutorial showing you how to use your Stampin' Blends. All right, now option 3, that's for those of you that don't want me to send you anything. You have the stamps, the ink, the paper, the ribbon, everything. You don't need anything. You just want the tutorials. That is the PDF and video option number 3, and it's $15. It's an automatic download in my PDF store. The PDF has the video link on the very first page, and you can get that for $15. Now, if you purchase it and it doesn't show up right away in your inbox, let me know. Sometimes they get lost in cyberspace, and I'd be happy to send it to you again. Option 4 is for my team. They get the complete kit for $15. It's a perk of joining my team. So if you've ever thought about joining my team and you really like my classes to go, make sure you check that option out as well. Okay, now I told you there were some additional options. Well, you're going to need the Stampin' Blends. Here are the 8 colors that you're going to need: Night of Navy, Mango Melody, Old Olive, Cherry Cobbler, Poppy Parade, Smoky Slate, Crumb Cake, Petal Pink, and the Color Lifter, and a Wink of Stella. When you register for this class, you're going to have the option to add these on, and I'm going to pay the tax and shipping on those for you if you do add them to your class. And in fact, if you want all of the blends, you can get all of them, and I will throw the Color Lifter in for free. So make sure you look for that option, okay? Wink of Stella is something I use on all the cards. You'll also want to add that on if you don't have that yet either. Last option is for those of you that want to make more than 10 cards. I get this question a lot. Sometimes I offer an additional make and take set. I will offer 1 additional make and take set per customer, and it'll include another full kit of the 10 cards and 10 envelopes. It will include that half pack of DSP as well, because you'll need that. You won't get extra ribbon in that because you'll have enough on this bolt still to make even more those 10 other cards, okay? So if you want another set so that you'll have 20 cards total, that is an add-on, and it's $20, and you'll find that when you register for the class. All right, the deadline for this class is October 25th. I ship options 1 and 2 priority mail, so that's $8 if you don't live local and you can't do a porch pickup. I ship them for $8 in a a priority padded envelope. It'll have shipping and tracking on that. All of these will ship on November 1st, just in time to get you in the Christmas mood. All right, you guys, have a wonderful holiday. Email me if you'd like to register for this class. Click on the link below. It'll take you over to my blog where you can click on the link to email me and let me know you'd like to register, and I'll send you the registration link. Thanks, everybody. Have a great one. Bye-bye.